this is a question that is being asked of us, and it says the number of equivalent units of production for the period for materials if the average cost is being used. So we're using the average cost in this case, which is different than what we were using earlier when we were using the first in, first out, using average cost. When we use the average cost, we are going to consider all the materials as being part of the process. We're going to average it in. We're going to take the materials from the last month in the beginning inventory and average it in with this month. So we're going to consider it all. Remember, under the first in, first out method, we only considered the inventory that was added during the period. We would ignore the materials from the previous period. Here we're not. So we're going to take a look, and it says we have 4,000 units in work in process, 40% complete. Now, I don't care about the amount of completion because I'm looking at just materials. So I have my beginning inventory of 4,000 units. Okay? And then it says completed the period at cost of $12,500. 14,000 units of the direct materials were added during the period. So we're going to add 14,000 more. That's going to be added. 3,000 units were 75% complete. I'm not concerned about how complete they are. And it says all materials are added at the beginning of the period. That's fine. So all 14,000 were brought in. We had 4,000 to start with. Direct labor is 32,400. Factory overhead 18,000. Well, I don't care about all those numbers. The only thing I'm looking at is the materials, the number of units of the materials. Well, I had 4,000 in the beginning inventory. I added 14, so my answer is going to be 18,000 under the average cost method. Average cost method considers all materials that were in the beginning inventory and what was added. If this question were FIFO, first in, first out, I would only be looking at the 14,000, and that would be the correct answer under FIFO. But under the average cost, we have to use all of it.